What's going on, guys? It's Friday, Bonafide Hustler here, and I'm gonna go on a hot shot. I've got a lot of work done this morning. I'm feeling really good. I want you guys to come with me on this hot shot. Let's go see what we can find in some thrift stores today. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my house. I'm about to jet out and go to some thrift stores. I gotta drop off some things at USPS, and then on the way to the thrift stores I go. And I think I'm gonna find something good today, so let's go. So come on, let's go check it out. Come on. All right, there's a door. Let me open it. All right, so I'm about to get out of here. It smells like cheddar. It smells good. 5 things are going off to the post office. Here they are, blah, blah, blah. There's some more things back there. I'll tell you what they are here in 1 second. Let's get on the way, though. We got to get going, guys. We got to get going, man. It's Friday. Austin traffic's going to suck, so I got to get down the road. But let's talk about the things that I did sell and the things that are back here. There are 5 items sold in the past 2 days. And what do we have? Okay, so one is a DVD recorder, kind of Sony looking thing. It's portable. It was $20 at a church garage sale, and it's sold for $89.99. We also have shoes to bucks. Shoes to bucks. This is a very random kind of 5 items. You're gonna be like, holy crap, that's kind of weird. It's like a little bit of everything. Some shoes to bucks for sure. Some Cole Haan Nike Air size 12, some wingtips. These are probably around 12 bucks or so. They sold for 60. I also sold a Lego Star Wars X-Wing toy that was incomplete but still built. Found it at a garage sale about 2 weeks ago with my wife. You'll see that video probably in like 2 or 3 weeks. That one was a $10 fine, sold for 45. And then I sold a pair of Scuba Pro fins, twin jet fins. They were 20 bucks. I sold these for $70. And then I also sold a Radio Shack tractor pulling kind of looking RC car thing. I believe that was around 10 bucks or maybe less, but could have been 6 bucks. It sold for 77. So anyways, that's what's going out right now. So I'm gonna go to the post office. But yeah, that's what's sold, and I'm gonna go put some more stuff in my store. And you guys are gonna come with me. It's gonna be a grand old time. We're gonna have a swell good time here, Chris, and it's gonna be great. Listening to some Dead Mouse. Just dropped off something at FedEx, and I actually have 4 packages to go to the post office. Get out of my way, dude. Come on, I want to get out of here, dude. Get out. Oh my gosh. Why do people insist on camping out behind my 4Runner right as I want to go? All right, at the Like Austin Goodwill. Last time I was here, I found some really cool bike bags. So let's see what I can find today. Never know. It could be really dry. Who knows? Let's get out of here. Man, everything just seems so busy right now down here. It is Friday in Austin, Texas. It just seems so lively. Everything's just noisy and weird. That's a hat that nobody wants. All right, a really fast hot shot this time. Oh man, this is actually a pretty good album. Dang. There's some really weird looking Nikes. Oh, they got a crack. Could be a buy, I'm not 100% sure yet. All right, didn't find anything there. That's okay, I went fast. And still got like 2 more, maybe. Still got 2 more Goodwills, maybe 1 Savers, we'll see. One of the things I might do this weekend is actually binge watch something cool, or maybe a set of movies. So, I'm gonna ask you guys out there, and this is assignment number 1 on my video, is what show should I watch, or what movie should I watch? Now here's what I like. I like coming of age movies. I like sci-fis, especially nerdy sci-fis, dorky sci-fis, underground sci-fis. I just like sci-fi. So, you know, let me know what's out there, and just put a bunch of whatever that you recommend. I don't care what it is. I've seen all the stereotypical things, you know, like Stranger Things and all that. But let me know if there's something out there that you are like, oh man, that was just such a sleeper movie. I wish Bonafide Hustler would watch it. I want to know what that movie is. Anybody paddleboarding? Yeah. Wow. I want to be on the water so bad. Oh man. All right, pulled up to this Goodwill right here. This is the one on South Lamar in Austin, Texas. Had to battle a fair amount of crappy traffic to get here, but it's all good. So I'll see if I can find something here. The bag section is like dwindling down heavily at this one. It's all good. But never know, you know? This one I found great things just randomly throughout the day, so we'll see. Always gotta scope out the shoes first in this Goodwill. Worried about CrossFit shoes right here. It's not too bad a condition. We do have some wear up top right there. 10 bucks. It's probably a pass because of that wear, but yeah, this is kind of the stuff you want to be looking for. These are really comfortable shoes. I wonder what size these are. 12 and a halves. Wow. Those are actually really cool shoes. So the fried boots right here, this would have been a buy. 25 bucks. Could have sold them for about 120. But there's some definite issues with that boot. So, gonna have to pass. Alright, so I left that Goodwill. Gosh, there were so many people in line. It was agonizing, but got a little shoes to bucks and got a little bags to bucks. So check this out. The shoe guide is not out right now. It's gonna be out relatively soon. The bag guide is out right now. I'll put it as the first comment down below. Check it out if you want. If you want to learn the bag game, I don't see any better way to do it. But anyways, so yeah, here are the shoes. These are Nike Free 5.0, Flyknit Free 5.0. They come with laces, but you don't really even need to use the laces. These are great shoes. These will sell between 50 and 60 bucks. These were $10 out the door. But the real win, I think, is this thing right here, a Hartman small carry-on shoulder bag. And it's in really nice distressed condition. This was $13 out the door. And this, if I get the words correct and all that kind of stuff and really optimize as much as I can, because I don't even know if this strap is like stock, but who cares? I mean, people want the bag for what it is. It's really cool looking. It's kind of Indiana Jones looking. That bag has a potential of selling up to 100 bucks, so we'll see. But that's $13 out the door. Bags to bucks, shoes to bucks. Let's go to another Goodwill. All right, so I'm going to Juice Land right here on Barton Springs Road, and I'm gonna get myself a Fireman Shot more than likely, or maybe a watermelon juice. I'm gonna kind of get the reward early here. I still got one more Goodwill to go, but this place is like really tiny inside. Let's go check it out. So this is what the Fireman Shot, I think they actually recalled it. They called it a Dr. Doctor. Lemon, beet, ginger, garlic, cilantro, jalapeno, turmeric, oregano, and habanero. All right, so that's what's in this thing right here. Some ice in it too. And cheers, guys. What do you guys think? Would you drink this right here? Let me know. It smells kind of like pizza. I'm gonna be honest with you. It smells like pizza sauce with a lot of oregano. So this is what it tastes like. Wow. It's the most kind of sour and putrid thing, but it's really tasty. You can taste the oregano. It's almost like olive oil. Oh. I kind of want to recall the on that one, but I was seeing if my teeth were all stained. Wow. Hands down, that is the most intense shot you will ever take in your life. Non-alcoholic too. That's incredible. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's good. It's just intense. It's so intense. It's ridiculous. 30 seconds have passed. It's definitely lingering a lot. Wow, I like this motorcycle. This motorcycle is sick. Oh, I want that thing. Oh. Yeah, I can feel it in my lips. It's definitely hot. The habanero now has kicked in. Oh, man. Woo. I would suck at those like hot stuff eating contests. I would just be like the biggest, you know. I can't handle that stuff. I can handle spicy foods. I just can't do it when it's too much at once. Anyways. Yeah, so if you come to Austin, get the Dr. Doctor, which is AKA the Fireman Shot. Last store is the Goodwill Boutique. I haven't had any luck with this one in the past 2 visits, but it doesn't matter because they do have pretty good stuff. So I'm gonna remain optimistic. I'm gonna get in there. The day's pretty good so far. You know, it's not crazy good, but it's not bad. It was worth going out. But yeah, hey, if you guys are enjoying the hot shots, do me a favor, hit the like button immediately. Because when I see that like button hit, dude, I just want to film more hot shots for you guys. Yeah, it just makes me feel good. That's just the way to say it, I ain't gonna try to sugarcoat it or candy coat it, even though I don't like sugar anymore. But yeah, just not gonna. I'm gonna shoot you guys straight. It's pretty cool to see a bunch of likes, and it's just neat to see a bunch of comments. So I like that a lot. So let's get in here, see if we can find anything. Goodwill boutique. Hey, do you guys have Goodwill boutiques in your town? Like, was it 5 years ago or so? We didn't have them, or at least there was only maybe one in town. So I mean, they're all right, not too bad. Oh, sweet! The remainder of the Doctor. Oh. Oh. If you didn't know it was good for you, you would swear that this thing is toxic. Hadouken. See, last time I was thinking about getting these, but the front is smoothed over, so they've definitely been used pretty good. That's a pass. And they're kids. Whoa, cool. Sushi shirt. That's pretty awesome. Look at this sorority shirt. Pretty cool. I don't really see anything today here, so I'm probably gonna jet. I'm gonna check this. Someone told me that this is some sort of temple shrine thing. Regardless. Ew. Ew. Little bike trainer that sucks. Oh, sweet. Burnt snowboards. What's in here? How much first? Over 100? No. 30 bucks. Ooh, I better take a look at what's in this one. Okay, so I didn't find anything there, and it was time to jet. There were the snowboard that was in the Burton snowboard bag. The bag was actually pretty decent, but it's not the season to even flip something like that. The board inside was a Moro, which is on the lines of like Sims and Lamar and all these really terrible brands. Ozone. Yeah, really bad, really bad snowboard, so you don't want that. Anyway, so that was pretty much it. Hey, you know what? It's a quick hot shot. I'm out of here. Feel pretty good, and I'm glad I went. I'm glad you guys came with me. And also another tip, when you are selling bags, don't forget to stuff the bags with some sort of bubble wrap. Give them structure and take approximate dimensions, and that way, that's the best way you can actually put them on the avenues that you want to list the bag on. But make sure it's not flat and weird looking. Make sure that the bag has structure to it. You'll get a lot more money for your sale that way as well, because someone can look at it and go, oh, okay, like it's a travel bag, or it's a carry-on, or that'll fit in an airplane, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so just remember that pro tip, and till next time, guys, I'm gonna go home and start off my weekend. But thanks for coming with me. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.